Hi everyone, we're going to factor these two problems here, this one and this one. So the first one, what I'm going to do is, for guidelines for factoring, is check for the greatest common factor. So I know for this I can divide each of these by AC. When I do that, I'm not going to lose my divisor, I'm just going to pull it out. So when I divide these two, the A's cancel and I just get C. And for the second term, go ahead and write your minus. I'm going to have A to the fourth and the C's cancel. So that is your final answer. So that's all I want you to do. This one, all we had to do was check for the greatest common factor, also known as your highest common factor. Now for the second one, what we're going to do is go ahead and do the same thing. Let's see what we can divide all of these by 2m. Because they're all divisible by 2, and m is our smallest, m to the first power. But don't lose your divisor. And when you divide here, the 2's will cancel. You get m to the fourth. Minus 6m squared plus 9. Now, we're going to be looking at our perfect square trinomials. Now, I know you have a 4 here. So, if you want, when you first start, treat that, just divide both of these by 2. You do the same thing you would with the square instead to the fourth. So if you factor this, this is plus and this is minus, so they're both minus. That's what you would get. All right. We've got too many minuses. All right. But since we have the 4, all you're going to do is copy this down, but put square. So you're just dividing this by 2 and put square. So it's m squared minus 3 times m squared minus 3. And then, of course, if you put it together, this would be 2m. Since these are the same, you're going to write this as m squared minus 3 squared. So anytime you have an even number like this, you treat it just like you would a perfect square trinomial, but just divide by 2 and put the 2 here. All right? And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.